Hi, welcome to the customization of Corpus-based MT engines tutorial series. In this video, we will learn how to convert a TMX into a Corpus. To do this, we will use Rainbow. You can download the application from the Okapi Framework webpage. Click on the latest stable release. Then, click on the Okapi applications to download the software. And select the version supported by your operating system. Once the download is completed, unzip it and open Rainbow. Right-click on the main screen and click on Add Documents. Once the DGT TMX files have been added, go ahead and click on Languages and Encodings. Select the corresponding language pairs and encodings. Then click on Utilities from the main toolbar. Go to Conversion Utilities and click on File Format Conversion. Oliphant offers different conversion options. To split RTM, click on Parallel Corpus Files. And check the following boxes. Then go ahead and click on Execute. Once the process is over, go back to where the original folder is located and confirm that the two output files have been correctly exported. Open your Corpus in a text editor such as TextWrangler. And there you go, this is part of the English corpus of the DGT, split into one string per line. In order to use this corpus as training material, make sure to use the same encoding and line break style throughout all your files. Thanks for watching and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. MT technology for everyone.